This pigeon's starting to become a bit of a feature on the channel now. So Mum How To I found it in the last one. She got the timestamp right first, so let's see who can get it in the next one. If you pop the timestamp in first, the first one to do it gets a mention in the next video. So let's crack on with the video. This is quite funny. Now the pigeon's not in this one. It's a pigeon's evil cousin. So watch out, because the evil cousin will just pop up and disappear. So you've got to have your eyes ready, because he's a sneaky bugger. Colin, Shine Automotive, and we're doing the bits that the Renault 25 failed on. If you haven't seen any of the videos of the Renault 25, link up above to the full playlist. Let's jump onto this. Hope you're alright. Whoa, it's sunny. It is sunny. What a lovely sunny day. Right, we're going to jump on with the M25. Eh? We're not on the M25 now, are we? We're in Thirst. Right, so we're going to jump straight on with the Renault 25, the bits it failed on. Track rod end, the steering boot, luckily they're both on the same side. The anti-roll bar, pin bush one at the rear, and the parking brake below requirements, and the registration lamp bulb, which is only advisory, but if we do that, that'll be all done apart from the heavy undersealed advisory. But you've all seen in the previous videos the reason why this car's so good and still around today. Mind you, 7 years this has been off the road since it was last MOT. So what it's had to be done, obviously we've done all the brakes, what's needed to be done for MOT isn't that bad. So we've got all the bits, the garage is full, we're waiting for parts for other jobs, so we're going to pull this outside the front of the garage and do it off the floor. So let's jump into it. So we're just getting the Renault 25 outside the garage. Sam's got his safety glasses on because safety's first sometimes. Yeah, driving glasses, sorry. Do you know what you're doing?
Do I?
Yeah. What's that?
Well, this is older than me, this car. I know. Yeah. It was the thing in your day.
Well, that's a handbrake. So I'm sure you can fix a handbrake and stop being a turnip. Are you a turnip?
Yeah. It's a dead squirrel. Right, well, the handbrake has to adjust from underneath, so that technically is your job, that.
What, underneath the car?
Yeah.
To adjust the handbrake?
Yeah.
What? Right, so that's where the handbrake is, and I am wedged under the car on the crawler board. We have axle stands under on both sides, so we are safe. The wheels are chopped at the front, and I need to get to that and clean all the chode off that, all the wax oil, so we can adjust it up. Sam's on with the back bush now. This is comfy. I like it. How are you feeling, Sam?
Dirty.
Dirty? I'm so close to getting an oily nose. Let's get out of here!
Washers here. Don't you remember how you took this?
What?
Look at it all! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 washers, mate.
7 washers.
Never to go back together again.
Right, so the handbrake's adjusted up. Sam's just putting the wheel back on now. He's done the bush. We couldn't get a bush for the back, so it's just literally a rubber bush. We've just got our own rubber bush and replaced it. It's just a nut and bolt system with 2 washers and a bush in between. So that's done. Underneath, handbrake's adjusted. Wheels going back on now. We'll turn the car around and we'll do the front track rod end and steering boot, and that's it, innit?
Yeah. I forgot about that.
Oh, we've got the number plate light to do as well. Oh, really hard work stuff to do on a car that's been off the road for 7 years. Oh, about 5 things, really hard. Oh. Right, car down and we'll turn it around. Yeah, you spin the car around, Sam. Right, Sam. Sam's turning the car around now. got the car turned round and we're going to jump on and do the track rod end and the steering boot gaiter, the dust gaiter. Let's crack on. So Sam's going to undo the track rod end and we've got to do this track rod end here and then change that boot that's got a split up there as well. So we'll get that span off now. So I can get into the steering boot to undo the steering boot there. As you can see, it's split down there. I don't know if you can see the split where you can see the red on the steering gaiter. So we'll get that chucked off now.
20 minutes later.
Well, my phone went flat, so we haven't got the footage of it going back together. But the new CV boot's done in there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll point it at the torch. Just got that cable tied to cut off there. That's done. Swapped out the old damaged track rod end. Old split boot. And it's a bit hard to do this with one hand. So floppy doppy. So yeah, she's all ready now. Sam's done the backlight bulbs. Oh, sleeping beauty. So yeah, that's all the MOT bits done on Renault 25. Mark's fixed the gutter in. Cheers, Mark. Yeah. So yeah, let's get rang up for MOT and let's see if we can get in for a retest. Woohoo! Right, so it's time to go back for a retest. And hopefully, she'll pass. So let's get to test and we'll see how good it is. Ooh, let's start. See you in a bit.
1 hour later.
Sam won't be nearly. Oh, Sam's here now already. Here he comes. Ah, look at this. So, what's the verdict, mate? It's warm. Did she pass? Oh, you've had it tracked up as well? Get on! Well, there we go. She is passed, heavily undersealed, as you all know. So it's getting pretty much to the end of the Renault 25 saga now. I'll give it a quick wash in the next one, and then we're waiting for the edit of Practical Classics Car Magazine, who's going to come and pick it up. And remember, he's bringing a trade-in. I haven't told you what it is yet, but I tell you what, it's pretty smart, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. So yeah, that's a Renault 25, all MOT'd, 7 years off the road, and not a lot of work to be done. So yeah, so that pretty much wraps it all up. So we'll see you in the next one, and don't forget, have a beautiful time. Woo, woo. Well, we've just got to work out how to get in there. We're not quite sure how you get to the handbrake to just adjust it up a bit. So we're having a go at taking this torque screw out here. Well, there's only one way to find out. Don't drive, yucking and driving, Sam, yucking and driving.
It moves anyway.
Yeah, but we need to undo it. Hang on, Sam. Let me get the screw off. Oh, great. Well done, mate. Screw's just dropped down the seat now. You're going to have to find it.
Oh,
Axel standing out the way, mate. Hang on. You get people like that, though.
Why comment?
You get people that comment. And
I don't do that to people's stuff.
if you see a car for sale and you're interested, why are you advertising a car for sale with 7 years? Sorry, that hasn't been on the road for 7 years with full years MOT. Well, we're going to put an MOT on it.
That's what I wrote on there. I don't sell my cars. I only put the MOT on when the cars are sold.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's sat there for 7 months. Oh yes, mate. You can't. Yeah, you can have it. It's got 5 months MOT.
Yeah, well, it's just the same as the Michael X-Ray 5 that's sat there.
Yeah.
Messed about God knows how many times now. Who turned it round?
What? Because I've got my special driving glove on. Hold on, I need my glasses on.
Alright, sat in that car, I just want to look and see how everything works in it. Yes, but as long as you don't start it, Mark.
I can put the ignition on.
You can turn the ignition on and then you can start it. It will come up with a warning of coolant. You can let it run for at least 30 seconds and it needs to be coming off.
Right, so if I push key in and just push it in once, lights should come on, shouldn't they?
Yes, it should.
Yeah, I just want to see how everything works on it, that's all.
Not a problem, Mark. Mark,
yeah?
you like our YouTube channel, don't you?
You what?
You like our YouTube channel, don't you?
Why have I not liked it?
No, you like it, don't you?
Thought I had. Why?
No.
Do you like it, man?
I'm asking.
On that car.
No, I'm asking you a question.
I do like it, yes.
You do like it, you do like it. And you're a good supporter of Shine Automotive.
You want to put that car on it while you're doing it?
No, not at all.
Alright.
Go on then. Yeah, I am.
And you want your grill?
I'm a good supporter of it, even though me and you's had a bit of an intimate, you know, thing in the past. Everything's fine.
Intimate? Don't be telling everybody that.